fan of these. See if the old Ranger starts. A little low. No biggie. Always starts. This is my setup, mobile, for a little mobile work. I try to not to do any more mobile work. I'm do it on the side. So I had everything on the truck at one point, but that's my car, and I didn't have any room on the truck to get anything that you use trucks for. So got this trailer. It's rough, but got it from a friend for $200, so can't complain. Got the welder on there. Picked that up pretty cheap. Got it running, $1,000 maybe. Nice hose reel, bottles, little old bed box for that. This is a disaster. About to clean this up. Going to a little job tomorrow for my buddy. That's what this video is going to be. So clean this up, get the equipment set up. Alright, a little better. Grinders. A little low high, 332, 1/8 inch, 6010. 2 corded. Really the Milwaukee cordless with the batteries I only use for wire wheeling. They're good grinders, but they're not worth a damn for actually taking metal off. Got cutoff wheels, grinding wheels. Wire wheels in here. We got flap discs, cutting glasses, miscellaneous, tip cleaners, bunch of tips, hammer, tools, stub bucket, stuff like that. Just the basics. It's good for me. That's what I use. Oh, die grinder. Tight spots where you can't get a grinding disc in. Get you one of them if you're doing this kind of work. It comes in handy. But yeah, a little mess to clean up. Throw some leads in my box here. Welder's good, truck's good. We'll get her going. replacing this piece of metal here. Let's get it. We got a little demo here. Just gonna square this off, get a nice cut, replace this piece, so see how it goes. I don't know if you can hear me, but got this all cut out. Gonna clean up a couple more with the grinder. All we're doing, this isn't structural, I don't believe. It's just rotted out. You saw the piece I took out. We're gonna cut and bend a piece to put right back in. Weld the sides, cut a hole for the kingpin. The old kingpin, or the old piece, was welded on here already, so we're just gonna do the same thing and get it all zipped together, smoke it in, and that should be good. And I got a couple other things on the frame side that we're patching. So let me get this piece made up and I'll get some welding shots. Dalton's over here grinding out the frame plates. Safety, look at that. Mask, hearing protection. My welder's very loud, so it's a little noisy, so hopefully you can hear anything we're saying. Here we go. Alright, I do apologize. Camera had some problems, so I didn't get any filming shots like or welding shots like I said I would, but that's the finished product. It was a pretty tough spot to get to, so welds aren't that good, but it'll serve its purpose. But I am coming back today to finish some of the frame, so I can get a couple weld shots on that. And Dalton's over there. He's gonna grease up the old rig. I got the greasy rig right here. The crusty Welding mobile set up here. So let's do it. Should be here for only an hour. Sunday. It's a nice day here, so get done and go do something fun. Hey, it's Sunday. You paying me double time?
Get out of here,
I don't know. I hope it doesn't run out of fuel. We ran a lot last weekend. So that's the frame patch I did there. Not too bad, not too good. Got that crack fixed. I got that crack fixed. A couple of these cracks welded up. A couple of them up there. Dalton came and while I was up top, he ground all them out, gouged them out for me, so I got a good penetration on them. So he did all the grunt work last weekend. He was a trooper. He was underneath this truck grinding for about 6 hours. So let's gotta finish welding that one side and we should be done. Don't know if you can see, but I weaved this whole side. Big weave, 332, 7018. Alright, this is done. But like I said before, up there, welded some cracks. Up top, got that finished. And then, that's it. This one's done. So, I'm going to try this YouTube thing out. If anyone wants to subscribe, that'd be great. I'm going to do a lot of welding, a lot of projects of my own. And, yeah, so, a couple tractor videos, welding videos, you know, just whatever people want to see. Welding table builds. Got a bunch of things lined up, so if you like it, subscribe. That'd be great. And I'm Matt, by the way, MCF Works. Thanks.